we're gonna go surprise Mama with a good day, okay? Happy first 4th of July. All right, we're loaded up and ready. You ready, Lo? We can't never do nothing, bro, man. He's always knocked out as soon as I leave the driveway. Which one should we pick, Lolo? You get the flower. These the ones. These the ones, Lo. Hold these. Damn, you handsome. All right, so we got the flowers. Then we got the pizza. I know it's Little Caesars, but listen, this is the thin crust. They got the thin crust game on lock. I don't care. Chain pizzas on lock. All right, Lo, you ready to go get some fireworks? All right, man, so we got a small family, bro, and my son loves colors, like loves, we took him to the arcade yesterday, and he was just like, so I got a little something, man.
Little something slight. When you go the day of, they got buy one get one free. All right, man. You have fun with that, Lo? All right.
We hope you like it, Mama.